Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this HUAWEI. First of all, you need to install your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away and click on apps section after scrolling down. Now click on default apps over here and tap on one of those options. In my case, I want to change my browser apps, I have to click on it, tap on the one that I wish to set up, in my case Bing, and click on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!